Hey, it's Mr. Monkey. Hey, cool. It's Mr. Monkey. Monkey. Let's go show you my friends, Mr. Monkey. Mr. Monkey. Mr. Monkey, you're a beauty. Mr. Monkey. Mr. Monkey! How do you feel about that being on YouTube after you hurt my monkey? How do you feel about being on YouTube after he hit my monkey?
Hey, why would you hurt his monkey? Yeah.
My monkey's $50.
Wow.
Thanks to some nerd who apparently has to be Mr. Krabs. He sells... I got T-Rex now. T-Rex is Monkey's father.
You not watch the movie?
Nope, I don't know dinosaurs. No! My monkey! No! My monkey. Give me my monkey. Give me my monkey. My monkey. My monkey. LeBron James! No, don't touch my monkey. My monkey. Mr. Monkey, you okay? Don't worry, Mr. Monkey, you okay? Mr. Monkey, you want to use catapult? All right. Yay, you launched, Mr. Monkey. Yay, yay. But guess what, Liam? What, Mr. Monkey? I'm evil and I don't like you.